New York is the first US state to change its laws after the Sandy Hook massacre a month ago. A few other governors have indicated they intend to do the same.
I feel like we're going to have answers that what you hope it is and then what it actually is.
It might be true. You could buy a gun at 18 in New York.
True.
True.
Oh, all right.
Okay.
21.
New York. I have a good feeling about New York.
With a flick of Governor Andrew Cuomo's wrist and a splash of ink from his pen, New York tightened its state gun laws, already considered the toughest in the country.
I'm going purely based off of like video games.
What is a permit? Is that just like getting a license?
Yeah, sort of like a marriage license, right?
I'm starting to feel like it's maybe there's a lot of laws in the state about it. Yeah, all of the above.
C, shotgun.
I think I'm going handgun.
Handgun,
going
okay.
small.
That's different than a permit?
Oh.
You register your gun when, just to let, I would say, the government know that you own the gun, and a permit is like a license to drive a gun.
I'm gonna say that is true.
If you needed a permit to purchase a handgun in New York State, then you would be registering your handgun in the state of New York. So this is false. You do need to register your handgun.
I tried to get a gun license. They make it very hard. First, you must fill out this 17-page form. The form says I must promise I know the definition of other weapons like switchblade knife, gravity knife, pylon ballistic knife, metal knuckle knife, a kung fu star. It took hours and hours to fill out the forms. We had to call the police department 6 times to clarify what questions meant. Finally, it was done. I have to get this notarized.
You go ahead and sign here, and I will fill in the rest.
Then you have to go in person to police headquarters. Here, they fingerprinted me, asked me to list reasons why I should be allowed to have a gun, and then they charged me a $430 application fee.
I love the phrase burglar's instruments.
B, unlawful entry into a building.
I'm gonna say A.
None of the above.
Yeah, I'm gonna say D as well.
Amazing.
Good job.
Just knowing how difficult it is to acquire a gun in New York, it actually makes me feel safer.
I am proud to be a New Yorker today. I am proud to be part of this government. Not just because New York has the first bill, but because New York has the best bill.
The new laws expand on an existing ban on assault weapons and restrict ammunition magazines to 7 bullets. Semi-automatic rifles already legally purchased will need to be registered with police. High-volume purchases of ammunition will trigger an automatic alert to law enforcement. And in response to a parallel debate over the US mental health system, medical professionals will now be required to tell authorities if they believe their patients are likely to harm themselves or others.